Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing and review of this auto air compressor. It's made by Sharper Image. It has an LED flashlight and has a reach of about 8 feet long. So it's just reading on the side here is inflator. It inflates the vehicle and bike tires, sports equipment, and more. It's car ready. Plug into a 12-volt DC adapter into your car and start inflating. There's, like I said, an 8 feet reach, and there's different types of nozzles to it as well. So there's one for the car, there's a nozzle for a blow-up bed, one for beach donut, and various balls, a needle, one for various balls. So I bought this at the Ollie's bargain discount store in Buffalo. So it's $12.99 US. So it's not too bad. Let's have a look at what's inside of this. I would be keeping this in one of my vehicles just in case there's a flat tire. So you never know when you need one of these things. Last thing you want is to be stuck on the road and feeling helpless when you just need a bit of air in to get you to a garage. So let's see what we got here. Here it is. There is the auto compressor. There's a manual. So here it is. So it has the pressure gauge on it as well, and it's in kilograms per cubic centimeters. Also has, I believe, PSI, kilopascals. So the blue the red is PSI on here. So not sure what this orange is for. And here is the nozzle for that. Underneath are the various nozzles, like I said, for if you have a various balls, or an airbed. This one has the wires tucked away underneath. So I'm just gonna plug this into the vehicle and see how this thing pumps. Okay, so I've plugged this into the 12-volt adapter of my vehicle, and on here you can see there's the button for the light. It shines on there, and here's the button for the compressor itself. So I'm just going to try pumping up the air a bit on my vehicle, see how this works. So my tire here is showing at about 30 PSI, so I'm just going to pump it up a bit. So there's a quick release on this, so that's good. You don't lose a lot of air. So I'm pretty happy with this. It definitely showed the PSI as it was going up. It wasn't too bad. It's not obviously as fast as some of the other better pumps that I've had, but in a tight fix, it'll do the job well. So if you found this review to be useful, click that like button. Please subscribe, and I hope you can join us for future product reviews. Until next time, take care.